Malabo.
Video yan din siya.
Can you use it?
Can.
Can you eat it? Can you find it inside the house?
Can.
Inside the living room?
Can.
Can you sit on it?
No.
Does it tie?
No.
Can you wear it?
No.
Can you put something on top of it? Under it? Can you hug it?
No.
Can you put something inside it? You can hug it? Can you...
Milo, plus.
Oh, yeah. Can you touch it?
No.
Inside the living room?
Can.
No hand gesture.
Is it a furniture?
Styrofoam.
Cleaning item? Hands down. Play with it?
Yeah!
For boys?
Can.
Ball?
No.
Does it have wheels?
No.
Wings?
Can.
Wings?
Can.
Airplane?
No.
Can you see
Mahirap yun.
Can.
electric fan?
No.
Not a transport?
No.
Is it a house fly?
No.
House fly?
Hirap naman kasi.
You play with it?
Yes.
Helicopter?
No. 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 Yes.
Can you see it in a movie?
No.
No. Can you see it in a cartoon?
Can.
Not a helicopter?
Ang time na.
Helicopter, airplane, water balloon, what has wings? Fairy?
No.
Alien?
No.
Monster?
No.
It's a toy. Reindeer?
No.
Santa Claus? No. It's so hard. Let's go first.
Hurry up, you're making me upset.
Wait, Mitchell ka na concentrate.
What is it? A toy. The set please.
What?
Princess please. Princess please. No.
Can.
Okay. Helicopter. Not helicopter. Not airplane. What has wings?